What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I have some very exciting news to share with you, and it is that I have started my own vintage resale clothing shop. Yes, you heard it here first, and her name is Slomo. I am so excited to start this new journey. I know many of you know that I've been manifesting this for so long, and I'm so grateful that just to see my vision come to fruition. It's just something that I've been very passionate about. As many of you know, I obviously love fashion. Fashion has always been a creative outlet for me, and I'm just so happy that I can find a medium to incorporate also my values for sustainability. And so I'm so happy to be sharing this with you all today. I am someone who struggles with self-sabotage, and I'm always my hardest critic, so I'm glad that I was able to muster up the confidence and enough self-love to share this project and really just make it come to life. So essentially, Slomo is a vintage resale shop, and eventually, as I gain more skills in the sewing, I hope to create some reworked vintage items. But right now, it is a vintage resale secondhand shop, both for men and women and everything in between. I know people were asking me if it's only for the ladies, but no, I got everybody. You get cute clothes. You get cute clothes. Sustainable cute clothes. I thank you. As you all know, I'm someone who values sustainability, and my intention with Slomo is to sell clothes that are trendy, cute, but also accessible and better for the planet. Mother Nature, can I get a... As you know, many fast fashion brands utilize unethical and often damaging methods of production, and so Slomo is my way of rebelling against those fast fashion brands and creating something that is accessible for all people in a way that's not damaging and that celebrates fashion and Mother Earth, of course. Millions of textiles contribute to the waste on this planet, so I'm very intentional with everything that I create, and even the modes of packaging that I'm utilizing for the products as I ship them out. Each product comes with this really cute promotional. I didn't want to do stickers because I feel like they can be wasteful, like if people don't want them or something. And so this is a cute little keepsake, or as I like to call it, my Slomo promo, and it is plantable, so you can actually put this in some water and then the next day put it in some soil and out will grow a beautiful plant. And of course, all my packaging that I'll be shipping with is biodegradable. Ew. As we all know, with everything going on with Miss Rona, everyone can't just go thrifting like we used to, so I'm so happy that I'm able to bring together all these amazing curated vintage pieces to the comfort of your own home. This is something that I've been meditating on and just been wishing and praying for a long time, and it's honestly something that I have really had to work on with myself. Just give myself the confidence to even put something out there for you all. So I feel very vulnerable right now, but I'm so proud and happy with what I have come up with. So I've created, with the help of my amazing boyfriend Danny, thank you baby, he helped me film this amazing little promotional video that I have for you all that is also showcasing a couple pieces that I'll be launching on July 7th, which is the launch date 7/7 at 7 p.m. So I hope to see you all there. Be sure to follow the Instagram at slomo.fash, and I'll be sure to link the Depop and all the other links down below. But without further ado, here is Slomo. I will